Hi, I'm Corey Del Pino, the Program Chair for the Medical Assistant Program here at Northwest Career College. The Medical Assistant Program is a blended program that consists of 7 months of online lectures, hands-on lab experience, and 2 months of externship. During the hands-on lab sessions, our students learn to perform injections, take vital signs, and conduct lab tests such as urinalysis, glucose levels, and rapid streps. The skills that the students learn during their time here teaches them how to give exceptional customer service to their patients throughout their whole treatment process. Thank you for considering the Medical Assistant Program. Hope to see you around campus.